Hello and welcome. In today's video, we are learning the song All in All on our ukuleles. We only need 4 chords for this, and that's C, G, A minor, and F. For this song, 2 things sound really awesome. It's a strumming pattern. You can do down, 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 up, and switch to the next chord. Down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, down, down. And when you get to chords in brackets, you're gonna do a specific strum for each one. So down, down, up, then switch to the next chord, down, down, up, and then come back to normal. Down, down, up, down, 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 down. Let's try just the strumming, and then I'll come back and teach you a really pretty picking pattern as well. So let's try the strumming. 1 and 2, slow. 1, 2, ready, go. Down, 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 up, switch. Down, down, up, down, 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 C. Down, down, F. And fast here. Down, down, up, down, down, up, down, 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 up. Repetition is the best teacher, so let's try that again so that we really master the one with the brackets. This is kick out, by the way. It's kind of hard to see from right here. Here we go. 1, 2, the verse. 1, 2, ready, C. Down, 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 G. Down, 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 A minor. C, F. Fast, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, 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 G. Perfect. Let's do it one more time and let's add the words. The singing starts on a C string. You are my strength when I. Here we go. 1, 2, 1, 2, ready, go. You are my strength when I am weak. You are the treasure that I seek. You are my all in all. Very nice. Now, I do recommend you mix and match with a picking pattern. So let me play it for you first so that you can hear it in context, and then I'll come back and explain it. Here we go. I sang the wrong thing. I'm distracted. Again, for me. You are my strength when I am weak. You are the treasure that I seek. You are my all in all. So that's the picking pattern. So to achieve this sound, what I do is I add or I put one finger on each string. So thumb on the one closest to your face, G, then index, then middle, then ring. And when you're going to press down on the thumb, please do not think out, because when you press out, it makes the string bounce and hit the fretboard. Let me show you. I'm going to put it away from the microphone. So we don't want this plucking. I want you to think down in the direction of like gravity. Down. Your thumb should kind of gently kiss the index finger if you're doing it correctly. And you might be thinking like, oh, it sounds so soft. That's okay. Less is more in this situation. And now when we're picking with the other fingers, like index, middle, and ring, think upwards towards your face. It's kind of like a come here motion with each of those fingers. So before I teach you the picking pattern, I would like for you to try this thumb, index, middle, ring. Thumb, index, middle, ring. Thumb, keep breathing, middle, ring. Thumb, index, middle, ring. And if you don't master the finger picking pattern today, then what I would love for you to do is over the next few days is practice just this thumb, index, middle, ring, and start building speed. Now the picking pattern that I like for this song would involve you picking the thumb, middle, and ring together. 1 And on the end, you'll pick the index or C string. Like this, 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 next chord, 1 and 2 next chord, 1, like that. And for the chords in brackets, you just do that pattern one time. So the 3 strings together, then the index, and you switch. So let me show you. On a regular chord, you're gonna do the pattern twice. 1 and 2 G, 1 and 2 A minor, breathe, C, F. And now chords in brackets, 1 and switch, 1 and then back to normal. Let's try that together. 1 and 2 and 1, 2, verse. Go, C, G, A minor, C, F. Fast here. 1 and 1 and 1 and. Okay. Now add the words to this. And by the way, if you're enjoying the lesson so far, please hit the like button as this helps the video reach more people. Singing note is a C string open. Yeah, let's try it. 1 and 2 and 1, 2, ready, go. You are my strength when I am weak. You are the treasure that I seek. You are my all in all. Let's try it one more time. 1 and 2 and 1, 2, ready, go. You are my strength when I am weak. You are the treasure that I seek. You are my all in C. Okay, wonderful. So now you get the choice of whether you want to do picking or strumming, or maybe a combination. You do picking in the verses, strumming in the choruses. So next we're gonna move to verse 2. And verse 2, chords wise, looks almost identical as verse 1. So let's try and sight read it, meaning playing it just on the first try. Here we go, and you can choose picking or strumming. Verse 2, 1 and 2 and 1, 2, ready, go. Seeking you as a precious jewel, Lord, together I'd be a fool. You are my all in all. Stay on C, 1 and 2 and then we would go into the chorus. So the chorus, you'll notice that the chord progression or the chord order is basically the same as what we've seen in the verses, specifically verse 1. So let's see, let's try it. Chorus 1, 1 and 2, play with joy. 1, 2, ready. And Jesus, Lamb of God, worthy is your name. Let's pause here. Because that C and G in brackets happen so quickly, I find myself playing the C with my pinky so that I have all 3 fingers ready for the G and then back to the pinky. So that way I don't have to slide around or panic that I don't have enough time to move that ring finger from the 3rd fret of A string to the 3rd fret of E string, which it can be done. It can be done, but I like the pinky, so use that tip if you like. Now let's move over to verse 3. Verse 3, chords wise, same as verse 1. So let's try it. Singing note is an open C string. Take 1 and 2 and 1, 2, ready, go. Taking my sin, my cross, my shame, rising again, I bless your name. You are my all in all. Verse 4, keep going, ready, go. When I fall down, you pick me up. When I am dry, you fill played, and then release the instrument. Okay, so now you have everything you need to play this song. I did put a little intro together that I think sounds like the original song. However, as far as intros go, if you're playing by yourself, you can just vamp on a C chord and then start singing. You are my strength when I am weak. Or you can do something like C, G, C, G, and then come in. C, C, G, C, and then come in. Ready, go now. You are my strength when I am weak. So you have options as far as an intro goes, especially if you're playing solo, just go with your heart. But if you would like to do a full intro, I think this is what I hear when I play the recording. So let's try it. You can do picking or strumming. Here we go. 1 and 2 and 1, 2, C, go. G, A minor, F. Move fast here. C and G and C and G and C and G. Then you start ready, go. You are my strength. Let's try that again. 1, 2, 1, 2, ready, go. Throughout this video, I've been playing a solid mango ukulele from Romero Creations. This one is available in my shop. I do have an online shop where I sell apparel, accessories, PDFs for your learning, and instruments as well. So this is a handcrafted solid wood ukulele in tenor size, and it comes with 2 different cases, a gig bag for kind of easy travel, day travel, and a hard case for more intense travel and better protection. So I'll link it down below, or you can go to bernadetteteachesmusic.org to see this and other things that I have in my shop. So I would like to play the final chorus one more time, just for fun. So let's try the final chorus again. 1, 2, take a breath. 1, 2, you can do it. Ready, go. Jesus, Lamb of God, worthy is your name. Jesus, Lamb of God, worthy is your name. Single strum and freeze. Hold it. And then release. Good job on learning this song. This is a part of a series that is a worship music challenge. So I do have a whole playlist of these songs, of 12 songs that are kind of like a set. And I would like to dedicate this video to my Patreon community. The Patreon community helps to support this channel with a pledge of $5 a month. And that's how I'm able to make videos and PDFs and live lessons via Zoom, because I have the support of the Patreon community. So Patreon members, thank you so much for your support. And if this is your first time watching this channel, I hope that you'll come back for the next video. I hope that you had fun. Let me know where in the world you are watching from and whether you decided to go with picking, strumming, or a combination. I am curious to see which one you liked best. Thank you so much for watching today, and I'll see you in the next one. God bless.